Unveiling the YZ Demon Edition, a powerful upgrade from stock to elite mini bike.
Breakdown of the Trailmaster YZ Demon Edition. Check me out. So this is stock right here. You got stock suspension, stock 196 motor, stock tank, fake tank, little janky bars. And we're going over to the YZ Demon Edition. Look at those shocks. Big boys back there. Up. You know what that is. Tilly, baby. Stage 2. Got them BBR dirt bike bars on there. Real gallon and a half gas tank. Metal. You heard that. You heard that right there. The real deal right here, man. So y'all tap in. Mini boy, mini bikes, baby. Let's go. Tap in. I'm telling y'all, let's take her for a spin. See how she run. Here.